Hello everyone, myself Vinayak, grade 8, Syntax English High School.
Myself Sheikh Martin. Myself Zultan Rahman.
Today we are here to introduce to micro noise detector. A noise detector is using microphone and buzzer is a simple device.
Components are microphone sensor, Arduino board and buzzer. Microphone sensor capture sound waves and converts them into electrical signal. Arduino board. This is a microcontroller which controls the project. Buzzer produces a available alert. Applications and features. Applications are classroom and exam halls, home security and environmental maintenance. Features are audible alert with buzzer, low power consumption and easy to use and maintenance. Thank you.
Components are buzzer, LED, Arduino board and microphone sensor.
See, like this, when anytime I'll put my hand or make any noise, the buzzer will make sound and LED will glow out. Thank you.